In the heart of the Carillo forest in Argentina, a house is born out of a respect for the natural world that preceded it. The site, filled with tall trees and dense vegetation, was not treated as a barrier to development, but rather as a fundamental element in the design process. The sunlight that penetrates the treetops creates a play of shadows on the vines, creating an atmosphere that serves as inspiration for the entire concept of this residence. Rather than altering the character of the site, the house was designed to follow the natural spaces created by the trees. The building mass was carefully placed to preserve the vegetation, while small atriums and courtyards were created between the volumes. This approach keeps nature a constant part of the living experience, providing views that constantly change with the movement of light throughout the day. The journey through the house begins through a semi-submerged entrance hall. From this point, the circulation gradually leads residents to the main level, creating a smooth transition between the outside and the interior. Each step is designed to reinforce the awareness of the forest, with openings providing a continuous visual connection to the surrounding trees. The house offers two ways to explore the forest. The first path runs horizontally, following the building's longitudinal axis, opening up a continuous panorama of the forest. This journey presents a series of constantly changing views, as if each step reveals a different side of the same landscape. The second path continues vertically via a glass bridge connecting the building's middle levels. From here, residents can experience the forest in its layers, from the vegetation on the ground, through the towering tree trunks, to the canopy that forms a natural roof. This experience offers a different perspective on how humans can coexist with nature. As a coastal home, the project also presents a journey through the outdoor spaces. The path begins at a tranquil internal patio, then continues through a semi-open area before concluding at a terrace level with the treetops. Each transition presents a subtle change of atmosphere, strengthening the connection between the architecture and the surrounding landscape. Treinta y Nueve Árboles demonstrates that architecture doesn't always have to be the center of attention. By following the character of the site and allowing the trees to remain the primary element, the house creates a living experience that feels natural, serene, and at one with the forest. Every space, path, and opening is designed to invite its inhabitants to enjoy nature as part of everyday life.